rockets are legal now.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are. All these aerial ones, they're legal.
Don't do them yet. Don't do them yet.
Oh.
I mean, look at those. What those people are doing.
Yes.
You're gonna tell me a bottle rocket's worse than that?
Yeah, those are going higher than the signs on the.
We can do a bottle rocket.
Don't do them yet. Don't do them yet.
We can even do them most of them responsive.
Most of them.
Pop them on the ground.
Hey, why aren't you guys cheering?
They got distracted by poppers.
Oh.
Pop it in your hand.
Joe's gonna sing
No.
Star Spangled Banner.
Hi, children.
Oh.
That was Tasha.
Liza.
Liza.
Whoever she is. I'm getting dripped on more from the thing than the. I had to get out of the. It was dripping on me.
Roman Preston.
Roman Preston!
Oh.
Yes.
Trent did.
None of them.
Okay, it's done. Boom.
Excuse.
Hi, Colin.
I want some.
Oh, I was only going to give you one. Okay. Here, I got some more. Get some more. Hold on, you guys. Hold on.
It takes a second. Look at it.
Liza didn't get it.
Oh, that's okay.